told some of the boys or girls off sometimes? Not you, though. Occasionally you get told off, do you? Sometimes. And have you got brothers or sisters?
Yeah, I've just got a brother.
You got a brother, how old is he?
10.
10. So he's in year 5 or year 6 now?
Year 5.
Year 5. How do you get on with your big brother? Do you get on okay?
Yeah.
Yeah, you don't argue too much. No, I'm glad to hear it. And what do you like doing at school? What's your favourite subject?
Literature.
Literature. You like reading and writing, do you? Okay. And have you got your brother with you today? Did he come to the big bang?
Yeah.
Where is he? He's not looking at something, is he?
Rain subsidy.
Okay. Where is he, Dad?
Rain subsidy.
All right. Well, listen, would you, does your dad let you have chocolate when you're at home?
Yeah.
Come and get a chocolate bar out of my tray. Get one for your big brother. And get one for Dad. Right? And can you see this stand next to me, this big stand? If you come on there in a minute with Dad, you might win yourself some more prizes.
I also get one for one of my friends.
Yeah, I'm sorry, yeah, of course you can. There you go. And Dad, would you like to have his picture taken with me?
I've got the film.
Oh, you've got it already. Okay, you be good boy. I'll see you later. Okay, nice to meet you. Say hi to your brother for me, won't you?
Yeah.
Okay.